Okay, guys, the fire alarm just went off. The fire alarm just went off. You can even hear it outside. See? And you can even hear it outside. Hold on, let me put on my shoes. Let me just put on my slippers. My girly slippers. Oh! I hear the fire truck. Every single time, I have to hear some alarm. But I swear there's an alarm in there. Here. Yeah, you hear. Okay, if you didn't hear it, replay the video and put the thing close to your ears. I'll just vlog for a little bit until it turns off. The bathroom. Check it. Let's check again outside. Let's check outside. Grandma just gave me apples. Let's eat them. Yeah, they're yummy. I'll eat them when this fire alarm is done. Oh. People's outside. Yeah. Heard people outside? Yeah, they're gonna turn it off. Last video was like a year ago. No. Last time the fire alarm went off. Last time the. Okay, let me just put on my shoes. I'll tell you everything. Okay, so last video was. Yeah, you can hear it? Okay. Yeah, I wish I can go downstairs, but I need supervision, Jane. Oh, it's done. Oh, somebody's doing something over there. Let me show you. Yeah, police are coming. And there's more people just recording. Like, what the hell just happened to this building? Nothing happened. Yeah. Bunch of people. Fire. Yeah. Last video was February 20, when that was the last time the fire alarm went off. So now this has to be marked February 24th. Yeah. My birthday is almost. So this is gonna be my celebration. Yeah, for all of you. So thank you guys for watching this video. Comment, like, and subscribe. I'll post more fire alarm videos if you're annoyed. Just don't come here. Oh my god. Okay, so it looks like the fire people are here, as you can see, because we have this fence because a bunch of birds like to be in this area. But there's, I swear, you see, there's like fire. There's like firefighters here. You see the light that's coming from there? It's actually reflecting it, as you can see. But thank you guys for watching this video. Comment, like, and subscribe. Wish you all the best. Wish you all the best. And yeah, bye. So, I'm gonna just go and watch the Russian invasion. Yeah, that's really messed up. Oh, police are coming.